Hey everyone, this is the Colt pocket knife from Miss Tanya Brown, 30 at 1. I'm going to copy our list. Go live. 438. I'm going to paste our list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 438. We got a 5. 438, 5 times. We do have 30 items on the list. That's 1, 2, 3. 30 items on the list. Miss Tara on top. Danny on the bottom. Randomized 4 times. Dice called for a 5. 438. Final time. Good luck, everyone. Mr. John Harrington, spot number 2. 30 items on the list. Randomized 5 times. Dice called for a 5. Congrats, Mr. John. We are done. 439. Thanks, everyone.